Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are super trending and super unique handmade button craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are super trending and very unique button art and craft ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. Very soon, inshallah. So viewers, hope so you enjoyed this video. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care guys. Remember me in your prayers and keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.